Welcome back to CAD Institute. In this tutorial, we will design this drawing in SolidWorks using basic tools. So, let's start the tutorial. Start with a new part. Make the background plane white. Start the sketch on the top plane. Draw a center point rectangle. Its horizontal width is 40 mm. And vertical length is 95 mm. Go to Features and Extrude. Extrude it up to 30 mm. Next, start the sketch on the right plane. Draw a horizontal line. Next, draw two concentric circles. Select this circle and this point, and make them coincident. Draw another horizontal line touching this circle. Close it with another line. The diameter of the outer circle is 60 mm. And the diameter of the inner circle is 25 mm. The distance from the circle center to this end is 140 mm. Now select the center point of the circle and this line, and make them coincident. Select the Trim command and choose Keep Trim Entities as Construction Geometry, and trim this part of the circle. Extrude this sketch. Extrude it with mid-plane direction. And extrude up to 15 mm. Now start the sketch on this top face. Draw a center point rectangle. Select its horizontal line and this edge, and make them collinear. Select its center point and origin, and make them vertical. The vertical length of this rectangle is 50 mm. And its horizontal length is 90 mm. Now select Center Point Slot. Draw a center point slot at the center of this line. Draw a vertical construction line at the origin. The radius of the slot is 5 mm. The distance from the center of the slot to this edge is 25 mm. Now select the mirror command. Select this slot and mirror it around this vertical construction line. Extrude this sketch. In the selection counter, select all of the inner sketches. Extrude it up to 12 mm and choose the blind option. Start the sketch on this face. Select these edges and convert entities. Extrude cut this sketch. Choose the Through All option. Press OK. Now select the chamfer command. Set distance to 10 mm and angle to 45 degrees. Now select these for edges. Press OK. Now select the whole body. Go to Appearance and give Material. And color to the body. In this way, we can design this drawing in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.